If you're tired of slow, unreliable Wi-Fi on your desktop or laptop, this tiny USB adapter might just be the upgrade you need. It's the world's smallest dual-band 802.11 AC MU-MIMO enabled USB Wi-Fi adapter, designed to boost your wireless connection without any complicated setup. Forget fumbling with internal Wi-Fi cards or dealing with limited coverage. This adapter offers a straightforward plug-and-play experience, meaning you just plug it in and get back online fast. No drivers to wrestle with or confusing installations, just hassle-free connectivity from the start. What makes this adapter stand out is its dual-band AC1200 capability. It operates on both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz frequencies, giving you the flexibility to choose the best channel for your environment. Whether you need broader coverage or faster speeds, it adapts to your needs seamlessly. With download speeds reaching up to 867 megabits per second, you'll notice a significant jump in performance. Streaming, gaming, video calls, or large file transfers become smoother and more reliable. This is especially useful if your current Wi-Fi setup is holding you back from enjoying your internet fully. The MU-MIMO technology is another highlight. It allows multiple devices to connect at maximum speeds simultaneously when paired with a MU-MIMO-enabled router. This means less waiting, fewer interruptions, and a more efficient network for your home or office. One user shared how this adapter transformed their experience. Using a 2015 HP laptop with an old internal Wi-Fi card, their speed tests maxed out at 70 megabits per second despite having a 300 megabits per second fiber connection. After switching to this USB adapter and disabling the internal card, their speeds jumped to 295 megabits per second, almost the full potential of their internet plan. Setup took under 20 minutes from start to finish. Initially, the adapter didn't connect right away, but a quick restart of the computer had it up and running within minutes. This quick turnaround shows how user-friendly the device really is. The compact size means it won't stick out awkwardly or get in the way. It's perfect for laptops on the go or desktops where space is tight. You get powerful performance without the bulk of larger adapters or internal cards. Beyond speed and convenience, upgrading your Wi-Fi with this adapter extends your wireless coverage. You'll experience fewer dead zones and better signal strength, which matters if your router is far from your workspace or if you have thick walls blocking signals. If your current Wi-Fi setup feels outdated or struggles with multiple devices, this adapter is a smart, affordable way to upgrade. It's compatible with most desktops and laptops, making it a versatile choice for a wide range of users. Worth a look if you want a reliable, fast Wi-Fi boost without the hassle of internal hardware upgrades. It's a simple solution that delivers real, measurable improvements in speed and coverage. In today's connected world, a stable and speedy internet connection isn't just a luxury, it's essential. Whether you're working from home, streaming your favorite shows, or gaming online, this USB Wi-Fi adapter helps you get the most out of your internet service. Try it when you're ready to leave buffering and slow downloads behind. This adapter makes upgrading your wireless connection straightforward, so you can focus on what matters instead of fighting with tech. With strong reviews and proven performance, it's clear this adapter lives up to its promise. Don't let old hardware limit your internet experience. Make the switch and enjoy the difference instantly. The bottom line? This tiny device packs a powerful punch, delivering dual-band AC1200 speeds and MU-MIMO efficiency in a compact, easy-to-use package. It's an upgrade that's hard to beat for the price and convenience. If that's you, someone who values speed, reliability, and simplicity, this USB Wi-Fi adapter is worth considering. It's a smart investment that brings your desktop or laptop up to speed with modern wireless standards. No more slowdowns or frustrating drops in connection. Just plug in, set up quickly, and enjoy faster, more stable Wi-Fi right away. Ready for a smoother online experience? This adapter makes it easy to unlock the full potential of your internet service and keep your devices connected at top speeds.